Hindi pa ako ready, guys.
Guess who's pregnant?
Ay, wala ah.
Extra siya. We're going. You experience
with our favorite rocket ship.
Manila. Are you excited?
Medyo.
We're here. We are here. We're with Kuya and
This is
Ate
us
Ray.
before.
Kaya mo kumatok. Sino yan?
Hindi pa ako ready, guys.
Screen time ka na kung
Pero, syempre, kailangan, no reaction.
we're done. My God. How was it?
Hindi mo nakakatakot.
Hindi, wala akong tinignan sa kanila.
Ako nasa harap eh.
Wala akong tinignan sa kanila. I got chicken sandwich.
My God. Burrito.
Burrito. This one is rice. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, perfect. God.
Lapit ka sa camera. Alam mo yung buhok mo. Nagawa mo. Pati buhok mo nakain. Last question na natin ito.
Lahat nasa.
No! Ayoko na. Kaya pala may kulang. Burrito ko. Kaya pala sabi ko ba't parang kulang yung burrito.
Let's go.
Let's go. I'm full. And I shall eat.
Today, pupunta kaming swimming ng family ko because birthday ng tito ko. 60th birthday. Kaya, we're gonna go. Di ba yung aso pinifist na yung basurang kinuha niya.
Jackpot siya eh.
So, later, nandun na kami sa resort.
Bye-bye.
We're here!
We're here.
Kumain na kami, nag-billiard for a bit. Tapos, yun lang.
Yun lang.
Bye-bye! We're here at ATC.
Bangtan Center.
I think alam naman nila kung ano yung ATC.
Just in case, you know.
Ayun, we're here at Chili's. First time namin dito. This is Kuya.
Sama kuya. Hi.
This is Kuya. Tapos, nagnanakaw siya ng pagkain na iba.
Akin na daw eh.
Ah, okay.
Pero ano? Good.
May cheese. Oh, I love cheese. Ano to? Init?
Parang bacon, chicken, cheese, quesadilla. Not bad for people. Pero
Oh, ang sarap. Pistachio.
ito lang gusto.
Guess who's pregnant?
Ay, wala ah.
We're gonna go home
Kasi,
with my pregnant wife.
saan?
Asan? Wala.
Ano na natin mga itim ko? Babad sa araw.
Extra siya today. This is the set. Sa school. It's night na and
Tired.
magna 9 p.m. na. Hindi pa rin sila tapos. Very tired ang extra
Ano
natin.
daw? 9:30 daw eh.
Nagklase na ako, nag-exam na ako lahat-lahat.
Pa rin na po.
Ooh, you're working well. We got a snack. The shooting is done. We're gonna go home na. Very, very tired. My God, 7 to 9 kami nasa school. 7 to 10 kami nasa school.
Yeah.
Oh my God. We're gonna go home na. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay. We got the goods. Oh,
Same.
tiramisu right here. Tapos is 3-4.
Empanada.
Empanada. And
Robin, tapos isaw na fried, tapos squid.
buko. Okay. We're gonna eat. First, empanada.
Init! Tres 4 na muna.
3-4 muna. Okay.
Appetizer.
Appetizer. We're gonna do a street
Hold,
food
please.
mukbang.
Cold bleak.
Game! Tada!
matanggal. Sakot na.
Yan, mas better lighting. Oh my God.
Hindi ka nang sangasawa.
Ang inat.
Ng story.
Nawala ng storage. I'm gonna try na.
Ito din.
Oh my God. Kahapon. Hindi pwede sabihin. Basta kahapon.
Nagawa. Thank you, no?
Kahapon. May ganap sa school.
Oh.
Tapos, siya. Kasali doon.
Wow!
Pero, extra siya.
Kaurat naman.
Extra siya.
Ano ba yan?
Joke only. Sinasadya po. This is not me IRL. We're gonna go na.
Bye-bye! Kumain lang kami.
That's it. Done.